Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Relentless video. So I've been hearing around the community, in the chat, in the Discord, the stream, everywhere, we've been getting the question, hey RT, we know commissions are free at Thinkorswim, but how much money are you really paying? There must be some fees that you're paying. And there's been a lot of debate, there's been a lot of back and forth, as to whether we should switch to a broker like Lightspeed or maybe Cobra Trading, one of these faster platforms that has direct access routing, right? And there's been a lot of questions, man. We hear things like, hey, platforms like Thinkorswim, E-Trade, Robinhood, all these platforms, they're selling your order flow and selling your trades, and that's not a good thing, right? That allows other people to be able to see your performance, to be able to see your patterns, and ultimately they can trade against you, right? So that's never good, right? But there are some benefits, I would say, to using a platform like Thinkorswim, especially for those of us who are high frequency traders, for those of us who are trading a large amount of volume every day. Guys, going back to the end of February, I've been trading about 70,000 shares of volume, 60,000 shares of volume per day. There's some of you guys out there who are trading 90,000 shares, 100,000 shares, 200, 3, half a million, over a million. There's some of you guys using a lot of sizing. And so when we talk about ECN fees, commission fees at the other brokers, guys, is it worth it? Is it worth it? Which one makes more sense? So Thinkorswim, as we know, and a bunch of the other brokers went to zero commissions. I believe it was in 2020, October 3rd, 2020, if I'm not mistaken, I believe was the date. And since then, we went from $6.95 in, $6.95 out to $0. And guys, I think it's worth it, right? Let's look at my metrics last year for the entire year. Let's also look at my metrics so far this year, and let's see what we can find out about those commissions and those fees, right? We're gonna also take a look at the Thinkorswim website to see what they're saying there in terms of stocks having, not stocks, but rather so the broker having a zero commission fee and zero hidden fees on the platform. So guys, let's take a look. All right, guys. Here we are on the TD Ameritrade website, and right now we're going to come on down and take a look at pricing. So here we go. Commission-free online trading with no hidden fees, platform fees, or trade minimums. Applies to U.S. exchange listed stocks, ETFs, and options. A 65-cent per contract fee applies for options trading. Now let's take a closer look. All right, let's take a closer look. So our award-winning investing experience now commission-free. I remember in October of 2020 when the news had just hit the market, man. It was crazy. So here we go. $0 commissions, no platform fees, no data fees, no trade minimums. Introducing $0 commissions on online stocks, ETFs, and option trades. When you add this to our best-in-class platforms, award-winning education and service, and a network of over 175 branches, you will see why TD Ameritrade is a smarter way to trade. Now, it sounds like this is a big sponsor, right? I mean, at this point, Thinkorswim, man, if you're seeing this, hit me up, man. Let me know what's going on. Talk to me nice, right? There's an asterisk right here, applies to U.S. exchange listed stocks, ETFs, and options. So guys, don't forget, if you are out of states, if you're out of the states, right, if you're living abroad, you will want to do the research to make sure that for wherever your current location is, to see how the fees will apply to you, right? So here we go, moving on down, we have for stocks, right, online trades, $0. Interactive voice response, or IVR phone system, there's a $5 fee, and I believe this is the automated system that they might have when you call in. The broker assisted trades are $25 for the fee. We deliver added value with our order execution quality, with 96.5% of executed market orders receiving a better price than the national best bid and offer. Now, this I will agree with, guys, because there's a lot of other platforms. For example, the DAS platform that I use, if I buy market, and I'm pretty sure CMEG, a bunch of the other ones, probably Lightspeed as well. When you buy market, you get filled on the ask. When you sell market, you get filled on the bids. Imagine if there's a 5-cent spread, a 3-cent spread, a 2-cent spread. You're going to be at a disadvantage buying market on the other platforms, guys. This is why Thinkorswim market orders are slightly different. It seems like their system is a little different, and their reasoning. Why are the other platforms filling us like that? Maybe they're taking the money from us against the spreads. I mean, who knows? That's speculation. I don't know. But you know, it's in this. I agree. This I agree. So note, the $0 commission applies to U.S. exchange listed stocks. Okay, we kind of read this already. But okay, there is a $6.95 commission which applies to over-the-counter OTC, right? So keep that in mind. ETFs, commission-free ETFs, right? $0. Online trading ETFs, free. The IVR system, once again, interactive voice response, $5 fee. Broker-assisted trade is a $25 fee. Mutual funds, let's see, 0 commissions, no transaction fee, no load. Let's see, up to $49.95, and that might range, it seems like, to $74.95 for buyers. $0 for selling and sellers, and the load, no commissions. Options, once again, 65 cents per contract. And for the IVR and broker assisted, we can add on the $5 or $25 fee. Fixed income, bonds, CDs, UITs. For those of you trading fixed income, I'm pretty sure you guys are probably already very familiar with this as well. And futures, there's a $2.25 fee per contract. Forex trading, which we're not going to get into, but interesting that Thinkorswim does offer some Forex trading. It seems like, let's see, 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time, daily, Sunday through Friday. So this is pretty interesting. Maybe one of these good old days we take a Forex trade, man. You know, who knows? So here you have it for TD Ameritrade, guys. Now, can I get a drum roll, please? Can I get a drum roll, please? Down in the comment section. Can I get a drum roll right now? Because we're going to take a look at my trading last year, right? I just upgraded to TraderView Gold, which will allow me to see the gross versus net in the fee, right? So here we go. Guys, are you ready? So last year we grossed it $44,871.29. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Net $44,341 exactly. Not a bad drop off. Not a bad drop off. I will say so myself. Not a bad drop off. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the difference here. So let's pull up the calculator. We have for net 44,341 less for gross less, here we go, 44,871, and there's a 29-cent difference. We'll leave that off, guys. $530 difference, and you know, with no hidden fees, such and such, $530, you know, is something, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not much at all. And there are fees associated with, you know, the cash sweeps, and where you, cash sweeps, borrowing fees for short trades, and there's other types of fees. As we saw a few of them broker assisted. There are other fees that are associated with the platform, depending on what you're doing and what you're trying to do. Well, once again, guys, this is not a bad thing at all for me. So $530, not bad, not bad. So, you know, when we do go back, you know, we mentioned at the beginning of the video, Lightspeed, Thinkorswim, Cobra Trading, direct access routing. So the top two things that Lightspeed has that Thinkorswim does not have is the direct access routing and the hotkeys. So, you know, is it worth paying? And we go to, we'll pull up the Lightspeed website right here. Is it worth paying, $4.50 per trade, guys? $4.50 per trade to buy and to sell. That'll be $9, right? Now, is it worth it, right? Is it worth it? Once again, we had, if we go to our trader view, net, we had 44,341, right? 44,341, right? So keep that number in mind. Keep this number right here. Keep this number in mind because we're going to do some quick math right here. We took a total of 4,252 trades. 4,252 trades. So let's do the math. 4,252 times 9, guys. Another drum roll, please. $38,000 in commissions. 38,000. I'd have been green on the year. You know what's the difference there? 44 from 38. I would have been green a whopping $6,000 on the year, guys. It would have been good to make a $6,000 extra an hour a day. It's still something, but it's not the 44,000 that we're seeing now. And before you guys jump ahead and get crazy in the comments, I do know the other side of it is that, hey, you wouldn't have anyone selling your order flow, right? Selling your trades. And when we talk about order flow, selling your trades, we know that, once again, speculation. We don't know if they'll be trading against us. We don't know if they'll be trading, and putting these algos against us. I mean, there's so many different factors that can go in when we talk about order flow and selling the orders. But once again, speculation. I have no facts, no hard evidence, just all speculation. But the part of it is also that, hey, with Lightspeed, with the direct access routing, you can definitely get better fills, faster fills, which will then encourage you to use bigger size. And in doing so, you can make up for these lost gains in terms of the fees, right? You can leverage in a sense in that way and outdo the fees. So it's interesting, it's interesting. And guys, the ultimate goal, we will talk a little bit more about Lightspeed at the end of the video, right? So let's put away the calculator, and yeah, so that's the whopping difference here, a $530 difference so far when we're looking at our net versus gross results, guys. So not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, guys, so when we do talk about Lightspeed and some of the other platforms that are out there that are direct access routing, what do you guys think, right? Once again, let me know down below. But for me, the goal is, can I continue to trade with Thinkorswim and put aside another 25,000? Maybe we give ourselves a little bit of a cushion as well and open up an account at Lightspeed, right? On the one hand, it's like, hey, if it's not broken, don't try and fix it. But hey, that's not who I am. I am an innovator. I need to know, I need to know, man. I need to know. I need to do the research. I'm like a scientist. I have this burning determination inside of me to know, right? And so what I'll do, I'll put aside another 25,000, give myself a little bit of a cushion. And, maybe we start off by trading twice out of the week, once out of the week on Lightspeed, and we get a good sample size of what's going on. And from there, I'll be able to know, because the only way to know is if I can do it. A lot of you guys will tell me what you guys think and whatnot, but we see people are very green on Lightspeed, and there's people who are very green on Thinkorswim as well. But for me, I'll never know until I try. So, that's where I'm at right now. Here at Thinkorswim, the fees aren't so bad. The fills are not as bad as people say. I believe the fills are pretty good overall. But yeah, guys, let me know once again down below what you think. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Hit that thumbs up button. We have a video on taxes coming out tomorrow. Tomorrow. We'll be talking about Uncle Sam. So make sure to stick around, hit that thumbs up button, consider subscribing to the channel, turn on the notifications. Guys, check out the links down below. The Momedic scanner, one of the hottest scanners out there right now, guys. Code Relentless for 25, yes, 25% off. Not just for 1 month, but for 6 months. You cannot beat that, guys. You cannot beat that. So be sure, if you need a scanner, to check it out. Guys, it's been Relentless Trader. Hope you did enjoy, and I am signing out.